DeckFlow is the best PPT presentations translation tool ever, providing precise translation while retaining the original slide format. Let me show you how to use it in just a few easy steps. To get started, click Start Now to log into your DeckFlow account. Upload your PPTX or Keynote files. Select Source Language and Target Language. You can add them to the glossary to make sure AI maintains consistency during translation if there are company names, product names, technical terms, or industry-specific terms in your PPT presentations. When ready, click Translate to start the translation, and it will be completed in seconds. You can then click Review to preview and edit the translated text. Click Download to save the translated files to your local drive. You can also preview the result and compare the source file with the translated file. DeckFlow also saves the original text in notes during the translation for easy comparison and review. Can't wait to get started? Visit DeckFlow.com and save big. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.